Hi everyone, welcome to World Puzzle. Can you solve this circle number sequence IQ test puzzle starting from 7, 26, 63, 124, 215? Which number comes at the last? Can you solve it before the solution? Okay, now I give you a hint or a short solution. Then you have to solve this and comment your final answer. Start from 2, take the cube of a number, then minus 1 from it to get the final answer. Now solve for the final number by applying the same pattern and comment your answer.